welcome to probably the easiest axles you'll ever change. To do this, you need minimal tools. You need a 36mm socket, a super unga bunga machine, or you can use a breaker bar if you don't have a super unga bunga machine, and a 15mm socket or wrench with a small breaker bar, or another wrench to use as leverage. If you live in a snowy area like the north, you might need a hammer as well, just to kind of convince things to come out. And finally, if you're the torque wrench using variety, then a torque wrench. And that's really it. You don't even need to jack the truck up or take the wheels off. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to remove the big axle nut off of each side. I've removed the hubcap type thing off of these newer body style wheels. With that removed, we can go under the truck, and the axles attach with 6 15mm bolts to the main unit. If you only have access to half of them, like me, just take those 3 off. I'm doing work on my rear end right now, and I don't want to kick up a bunch of dust, so I jacked up the truck and rotated the tires, but you don't need to. The circumference of my tire is roughly 96 inches, so if I back up about 4 feet, it should be perfect. Yeah, it's easier to just jack up the truck and do it that way, but I figured I'd show you this way, because what if your jack broke, or what if you don't have one? It's always good to have alternatives. With those loose, my passenger side axle simply popped out. The driver's side took a little convincing with a 4-pound sledge. And there's a real trick to get the axle out without having to disconnect any of the sway bar or shocks or anything like that. So I want you to note this piece right here, which the strap broke off of. This goes into the wheel hub here. You'll notice that the sway bar link and the shock are angled. So you don't have to remove the sway bar link or anything to get this out of there. So you've got to angle the end of the axle where it goes through the hub there up, so it forms a cone kind of like the shape of this. Then you can slide it right out. Just like that. Gorgeous. Let's just clean this up a little bit. Putting the new axles in is the reverse of disassembly. Ooh, just like that. Do that. And then realize that I forgot all the bolts. Got the torque wrench set to 58 foot-pounds. I'm gonna put my washer and nut on here. I don't have a strong enough torque wrench for this, so I'm just gonna unga bunga the shit out of this and drive it to somebody I know who has a bigger torque wrench. And you're done. You didn't have to jack up the truck or nothing. You just had an unga bunga machine, a 36mm, and a 15mm. Easy, right? So hey, if this video helped you out, give it a like, let me know down below if it was this easy for you, and check out the channel. I do all kinds of stuff here. And thanks for watching.